United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 115, Indemnity for loss incurred in avoiding injury to a submarine cable or pipeline. Every state shall adopt the laws and regulations necessary to ensure that the owners of ships who can prove that they have sacrificed an anchor, a net or any other fishing gear, in order to avoid injuring a submarine cable or pipeline, shall be indemnified by the owner of the cable or pipeline, provided that the owner of the ship has taken all reasonable precautionary measures beforehand.